Hello guys, let's solve this problem. Let me show you how to solve similar problems like this. Okay, this question says find the equation of the line passing through the point. We have 2 points here. Okay, so let's say this is a line. This is A and this is B. So A is 1,4 and B is -2, 6. Of course, if I am to draw this one graphically, it's not going to be a flat line like this. Okay, right? So now you are asked to find the equation of this. The first thing you have to do, from the origin, you label this as x1, y1. Then from the destination, you label this as x2. This is y2. Okay, and you're asked to find the equation. But we have a general equation, okay, to find the equation of a line, which is, so you can have this one, y equals to mx plus c, okay, where m is the gradient, okay, and y is the intercept. But again, we have another one which says if we have y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Okay, that's equation of a straight line, which is also the same. So if we have 2 points, we can apply the second one. Now here we just have to find, this is the gradient, okay, and for us to find the gradient, m is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So that means the change in y divided by the change in x. Okay, so I have labeled this one. Let's find the gradients quickly. So m equals to, my y2 is 6 minus y1 is 4 divided by x2 is -2 minus, and this is 1. Okay, so this becomes, you subtract this, becomes 2 divided by -3, which is your gradient. Now you substitute into this your y. This is just y equal y minus, sorry, y1 is 4, so you write it here, 4 equals to, the gradient now is 2 minus 2 over 3 into x minus, so x1 is 1. Easy. So from here we can just transpose this one, or if you divide this by 1, you cross multiply this by this, becomes 3y minus 12 equals to, multiply this by this and this becomes, remember this is minus here, becomes minus 2x plus 2. Okay, so if you want to write it in terms of this becomes 3y equals to, this is minus 2x plus 2, this plus 2, then you bring this one, becomes plus 12. Okay, so let's finish it up here. This becomes 3y equals to, this is minus 2x, now that becomes 14. We are in need of y here if you want to make y the subject. So this becomes, or basically you can write it as 3y plus 2x equals to 14, which is correct. It depends on how it is represented. Now if you divide again, you want to make y, so this becomes y equals to, divide this, become -3 minus 2 over 3x here, then you have plus 14 over 3. So it depends on how it is represented. Any of this is correct. Okay, see you guys in my next video.